Welcome to the TrueSyncTV installation guide. In this video, you will learn how to install your TrueSyncTV device and entertain your customers like never before. Let's get started. Open your TrueSyncTV shipment and review the contents. Items that are necessary for installation include one TrueSyncTV device, one HDMI cable, one DC power source, and one remote. Additional items that may make the installation easier include zip ties, outlet splitters, and extension cords. Once you have verified that you have everything needed for installation, it's time to select a TV for installing your TrueSyncTV device. Here are some things to keep in mind and best practices for easy installation. When selecting a TV, try to pick a screen that is least likely to change input. Avoid installing on TVs that customers often request channels on or are mandatory for game days. We understand inputs will get switched by request from time to time, but choosing the screens with the least amount of interaction from staff ensures the best experience possible. Ensure there is an open outlet for plugging in the power supply, preferably directly behind the TV. If all available outlets are already occupied, use a splitter to create additional outlets. Ensure the TV has open HDMI ports. Typically, devices are plugged into the secondary HDMI port, HDMI 2. However, if the TV does not already have any occupied HDMI ports, use the primary HDMI 1 slot. It's always best to connect all TrueSyncTV devices to the same input when installing on multiple TVs if possible. Having a designated TrueSyncTV input matching across all TVs makes for simple communication with staff and AV support. One last thing before you install, make sure to take note of the MAC ID located on the underside of the TrueSyncTV device. You will need to include this number when filling out the installation form. Powering your TrueSyncTV. Simply plug in the DC power supply to an available outlet and plug the circular DC power output into the device. Ensure both ends are secure and plugged in all the way. On the front of the device, you will see the green lights come on, indicating the device has power. Connecting TrueSyncTV to HDMI. Using the included HDMI cable, plug either end into the designated HDMI input on the TV followed by the HDMI output on the media device. Select the respective HDMI input on your TV, and you should see the TrueSyncTV device powering on. That's it. We'll take it from here. Your TrueSyncTV media device should be connected and playing incredible videos. Please make sure to fill out the installation form, and we will get your screens into our system. If you have any questions regarding installation or troubleshooting, don't hesitate to reach out to us at info@TrueSyncMedia.com or take a look at the installation guide document linked in the description. Thank you for choosing TrueSyncTV and enjoy.